ako nandun. Ano lang ako, bumababa ako, sinasama ko yung mga fans. Kasi hindi lang ako nawalan, pati sila nawalan. Kaya ikiramay din ako sa kanila. Hindi para sa sarili ko, okay lang ako. Nakasama ko na siya nung buhay pa siya. Yung kailangan yung mga Noranians, yung mga nagmamahal sa kanya, kailangan meron din magko-comfort sa kanila. Kawawa din naman sila. They have feelings too. They're crying, they're hurting. And I understand that. So I want to make sure that the fans know that someone loves them. Hindi lang likes them, loves them.
Napakaganda rin po ng ginawa nilang program sa Metropolitan kanina bilang pagpupugay po sa ating superstar. Yung mga binigay po ni Sir Joel and all po. Kayo po, any fondest memory po na pwede nyo pong i-share? Alam ko po marami na rin nagtanong sa inyo pero if you have one thing in mind po.
My fondest memory?
Yes.
Sitting around the table, having dinner together, talking. You know, that's something that's missing nowadays. Minsan yung tao kumakain, so kanya-kanya na lang upo. Wala na yung nag-upo kayo, kumakain kayo, nagbobonding kayo. Bihira yan na yan eh. Gawa-gawa ng mga McDonald's na yan eh. So,
yung mabilisang kain na yun, wala na pong kwentuhan.
The thing about the family is we sit down, we eat together, we share together. And that's what keeps us, that's the glue that keeps the family together.
Yes.
You don't have a family dinner or a family lunch or, you know, at least once in the day you should eat with the ones you love.
Yes. Treasure it po.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And bilang isang tao po, kamusta po si Miss Nora?
Bilang
isang tao po, kamusta po siya? Bilang kaibigan, bilang...
She's phenomenal. She's phenomenal. That's just not a word. That's phenomenal.
Yes.
I don't know. I can't think right now. Pasensya na po kayo.
Ito, one more question na lang po. Kung naririnig po ito ni Miss Nora, any message na lang po sa kanya?
Ako, magbibigay message sa kanya. Ay, alam niya yan. I miss my best friend. I miss my ate. I miss my manager. I miss my everything. Sige mo, this is Nora's journey. I was only along for the ride. I'm not fit to tie her shoes, but I'll carry her bags. Kaya ko nga buhatin siya. Kung buhatin ko siya, kaysa bibigyan ko siya. Kaso lang, all journeys come to an end. The only thing we can do is enjoy the ride.